Would you believe it if someone told you that you possess a God-given gift of incredible power that you are not using? Moreover, this gift is not unique to you. Everyone has it, yet almost no one realizes its presence despite God's numerous messages to us in various forms. Today, I will explain what this gift is, how you can utilize it, and why the greatest human potential often remains hidden. Throughout the centuries, scholars have strived to understand the essence of this power. However, as a species, we still struggle to grasp and utilize it fully. Nowadays, if something cannot be seen, touched, or measured, it often gets overlooked. This reflects the mistaken belief that our minds can comprehend all the laws governing our world. Moreover, our fast-paced world relentlessly diverts our attention and energy, ensuring that we are always preoccupied with external distractions rather than exploring our inner selves. However, we all occasionally experience brief moments, perhaps while in nature, when we feel a small, higher spark trying to ignite within us. The scriptures are replete with stories of individuals performing miracles. They healed, spoke powerfully, resurrected the dead, and even altered history. These miracles are, in fact, manifestations of the hidden divine power that each of us possesses. In the Gospel of Matthew, Jesus said, "Truly I tell you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, 'Move from here to there,' and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you." Similarly, the Gospel of Mark states, "Whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." This assures us that with faith as strong as if we had already received what we are asking for, it shall be granted. Increasingly, scientific evidence from fields like quantum physics and psychology supports the notion that our beliefs and convictions have a real, tangible impact on our reality. How else could one explain the phenomenon of placebo and nocebo effects? A patient believes that a substance will help them, and it does, despite the substance being medically neutral. Believe, and it will be granted to you. We have much more influence over our lives than we might realize. Our thoughts, fueled by true, unwavering faith, can shape our reality. Perhaps we underestimate the extent of this power, mistakenly thinking that Jesus, when he spoke of moving mountains with faith, was using a metaphor or hyperbole. He might have meant it literally. In our everyday lives, we are bombarded by the constant noise of social media, news, and personal and professional responsibilities. This endless pursuit can cause us to neglect our inner lives and overlook the voice that speaks of our true power. It's worth pondering who benefits from keeping humanity in such a rush, away from what is primal, true, and beautiful in us. It is evident that the number of these distractions has been growing, demanding ever greater resilience from us to resist them. We must learn to find silence, where we can hear the gentle whisper of our soul. The key to unlocking this power lies in faith and meditation. Begin with a daily practice of meditation, even if initially for only brief moments. Allow yourself a daily moment of silence to hear what your inner self tries to communicate. If you've never meditated before, start simply. You don't need mantras or to sit in the lotus position. Just sit or lie down comfortably, close your eyes, and embrace the silence. This might seem challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes easier, and you gradually connect more with your higher self. Even 15 minutes a day can be a good start. As you devote more time to such contemplation, you'll notice changes in how you perceive the world and the opportunities that arise. The journey into oneself is full of challenges, but also rewards. By tapping into this hidden power, you will witness transformative changes in your life. The miracles we read about in the scriptures are not merely stories from the past, but real possibilities that each of us can achieve. Each of us has the strength to effect changes not only within ourselves, but also in the world around us. Give yourself a chance to discover this power. Remember, God gave you this power. Now it's time to use it for your benefit and the benefit of those you care about. Subscribe to this channel now to continue to be inspired for genuine development. Have a blessed day.